Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch SE with your iPhone. First, let's prepare for a smooth pairing process. Make sure your Apple Watch SE has at least 50% battery life. It's also crucial that both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running their latest software versions. Keep your devices within a few inches of each other and confirm that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. These initial steps are vital for a successful connection. Now, let's begin the pairing. Power on your Apple Watch SE by holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. On your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app. You'll see an option to Start Pairing. Tap that, then select Set Up for Myself. Your iPhone will then prompt you to align your Apple Watch within a yellow frame on the screen. This uses the camera to automatically detect and initiate the connection. Once the devices recognize each other, follow the prompts on both screens. You'll be asked if you want to restore from a previous Apple Watch backup or set it up as a brand new device. After making your selection, review and agree to the terms and conditions. You'll then create a 6-digit passcode for your watch and customize various settings such as text size, activity goals, and Apple Pay. This step ensures your watch is tailored to your preferences. After completing the setup, your Apple Watch SE will begin syncing with your iPhone. This process can take several minutes, so please be patient. If you encounter any issues during pairing, try restarting both your iPhone and Apple Watch, then attempt the process again. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are actively interfering. If problems persist after multiple attempts, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.